In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech MX Master 3S to Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Logitech MX Master 3S to any Mac OS machine. All that you have to do is choose one of two ways to connect it. You will either be able to use the included Logi Bolt wireless receiver and connect it to a Mac, or use Bluetooth. So first, for the USB wireless receiver, all that you have to do is put it into any of the available USB ports on your Mac. As soon as you plug it into any available USB port, you will be able to power on the mouse and it should automatically pair itself up with the receiver. If needed, look at the bottom of the mouse and you should be able to find a toggle that allows you to turn it on, and immediately upon turning it on, it will pair itself up with the USB wireless receiver. If you are having trouble, make sure that it is sufficiently charged, so plug it into any suitable power source with the provided USB-C to USB-A cable. Alternatively, you can also use Bluetooth like I mentioned, and all that you have to do is go over to the Bluetooth settings on your Mac, make sure that it is enabled, and you will be able to set it up that way. Make sure that the mouse is powered on and it has sufficiently charged, and you will be able to choose to pair it over Bluetooth from that window. You will be able to do this with any Mac OS device, and you can also do it with consoles and anywhere that you can use Bluetooth. What I recommend is using the USB wireless receiver, but like I mentioned, any mode of connecting them together should work. You will be able to connect it as long as it is sufficiently charged. If you are having trouble getting it to work over Bluetooth, then you can try long pressing the button on the base until the light flickers really fast. This usually resets Bluetooth, so you will be able to pair it up with any new device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech MX Master 3S to Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.